How to create a pie chart in Monday.com. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how easy and simple it is to create the pie chart view into your Monday workspace. So the process is going to be very easy and very simple. It is going to be consistent of adding a view to your specific project. So what is the necessity or what is the goal of creating a pie chart? Basically, it is going to help you to make a specific, let's say, chart that is going to remind you or set up in order the tasks that has been made, for example, or the team that has a repetition of the tasks, or you can go ahead and keep the track about something or some task that you have. So we are going to head over monday.com, sign in for an account, and as you can see, we're going to head over the dashboard. Now we are on the workspace, so normally the image or the first page that you are going to see is going to be the home page. After that, you need to head over the workspaces, select the project of yours, at least have a project, and you can go ahead and apply this specific view or the let's say the chart view is going to be available for the project and also for the board. The dashboard is not going to be having a view, but it is going to contain everything. So you can not go ahead and add, for example, a specific view, but instead you can go ahead and add directly the widgets. So for example, if we take example of this chart, you can go ahead and click on settings and change the chart type to a pie. For example, you're going to have it just like this. Now, let's say that we do not have a dashboard and we have only a project and a board. So I'm going to delete that. So we are going to start from scratch. You can go ahead and head over your project. And from the views at the, you can see here the header, you're going to click on the plus icon. So you're going to add a view. Click on it and you're going to see the board views. Now we are going to choose from these different type of views chart and we're going to click on add. So it is going to add the chart view. We're going to drag and drop it to the second, as you can see, position. So I can go ahead and keep the track of it. You can go ahead and pin it to the navigation so you're not going to lose the sight of it. So we're going to pin here at least two views and you're going to have it just like that. Now, for the short, it is going to have this specific short or random short added as a measurer. So we're going to click on more actions and then we are going to click on settings. So after you have clicked on settings, we're going to see the first thing at the right side of the screen, widget settings. We are going to start by the chart type. We are going to click on it and a large menu is going to be expanding. Now, we are going to see the most popular, and also we have the different categories. So, for the most popular, it is going to have a complete pie. And also, we have the pie, as you can see, chart type, which is going to be having two type of pies. We have the complete one and we have donut one. So for the complete one, it is going to be looking like this. So you can go ahead and select it like that. You're going to see, as you can see here, the labels. And you can set up, for example, the label like here we are going to choose maybe a status. We have the priorities, the groups, or as you can see, names. Here we have sub items, owners, and whatever. Also, we have the due dates. So we can go ahead and have, for example, the boards, or we have the status. So, depending on the view that you have set or the specific label that you have, you can go ahead and change for also the sub items in here. Now, aside from the labels, you can go ahead and control the values. So you can go ahead and put the project, or as you can see here, we have the project name. You can have here the counted item or whatever items that you have. So you can select also the calculation of a sum, of an average, a median, a minimum, a max, whatever. For the customization, you can edit the color and the text that we have in here of the pie. And also you can show the value as a percentage or a value itself. So we can go ahead and have the sorting by values descending, values ascending, labels ascending, labels descending, just like that. Also, you can go ahead and show the empty values if you want. Now, for the groups, you can go ahead and have the groups of the specific, as you can see, items that are situated in the project in here. So that was the view of the specific, as you can see, project. Now, we're going to head over the main table and we're going to do the same for the dashboard. You can go ahead and have the dashboard, and as you can see, you can go ahead and select any chart, and then you're going to click on the more options, settings, select the chart or the chart type, and have it your way as like that. Do not forget to change the labels, for example, and then you're going to have it as it is. So it is going to be connected, or for the dash, it is not going to be as simple as the specific project, but it is going to be connected into a specific board. So when you click on a chart, you're going to have it connected to a board. And that board is going to be from here and there. So you're going to have it in here. Then you're going to select the board that you have selected. So in here we have the daily task. You can go ahead and ignore it or add, for example, another board like the first one that we have in here. So I'm going to add more boards, and normally we're going to see a lot of changes in here. So that was very simple. Now for the board, you can go ahead and do the same by adding a chart just like that. Add the widget to a short, and it is going to be the same practice. You're going to have the pie, type of pie, and then you're going to have the connection for it. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.